All right, good morning, everybody. It is the 17th, September 17th, Thursday morning. So we just jumped into this trade. I wasn't able to get the video going in time. Got in right over here. This is one of my gap trades using the algorithm for my gap trades. So all in, we're 90% buying power all the time. Started the day with $640 in this account. So this is our day one of seeing how fast we can grow this thing to 5K, and then I'm going to reset. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so put my stop in. You got the stop order up here that's waiting. So right now I have my target at 1096 and my stop at 68. So starting the account today with $643. Once I get below 500, I can't day trade this account. I would have to refund it. So I consider that blown up. So right now I just went all in on this this trade regardless of the potential losses, which puts me at around $160 loss. So if this is a losing trade on day one, day one we would have blown it up. So we'll start again once to get a couple bucks put back in the account. But yeah, we might have been blowing this thing up on day one. How awesome. So since I'm going to blow it up anyway on day one, just in case, I'm going to make a new low of 954. 953, we'll say. All right, so let's clear that. And then sell. So I adjusted my stop to make a new low, just in case. Because it's game over anyway. 50, so I'll go 47. Alright, there we go. Clear and sell. Alright, so let's see. Did we blow it up on the first day, or are we going to have a nice start for this thing? Alright, so even better. This, not only will this account get blown up, but I'm not supposed to be in this trade. I don't have permission to be in this trade. Algorithm switched, but I didn't have permission. I just saw the switch. I was excited, jumped in. Didn't even check for permission, and I don't have it. So as soon as this gets back to break even, I'm going to bounce out of this trade. Let's see, what are we banked up? So if I were to sell it right now, I would be done already because I'm below my account value of 500, I think. Wait, let's see. 643, so I could get out right now and still be able to trade. So let's look at that. Do I just bounce out of this since I don't even have permission? Actually, trade looks okay, but from a technical standpoint, it looks a little sketchy as well. So actually, maybe not so good. Let's see here. 988. That's all right. And we just start with a smaller starting balance. 988. So 9, 8. Let's go right at the bottom of this green candle. I think we'll still be in business. 985. Clear. Sell. Alright, so if it gets to 985, I move my stop because I'm not supposed to be in this trade. So I'm not going to blow up my account on a trade I'm not even supposed to be in. So let's make this red so it's obvious what it is. And then moving my stop to right here. 985. That's 15 cents more, $30 more, 130 bucks. That should still let me be in the game after commission. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. But if I do get back to just about break even, I'm going to look to put my stop in right there, tight, and then close the trade. Man, I jumped into what I'm not supposed to be in. I don't even have permission. Oh well. Okay, so we should be getting stopped out here in just a second. And then we'll take a $119 loss and just, why not, start the account even smaller. There he goes. All right, so we're stopped out, $126 loss. So we're still in the game by 20 bucks. So first trade out of the gate was not even the right trade. It didn't even have permission to get in. So I guess I wanted to really start with like a $500 account, which is actually what I really did want to start with. But I need to leave a little bit of money in there so that I can survive the platform fees that are coming out in about 10 days. So now I'll just have to make that money to survive it. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this thing goes. Off to an awesome start. All right, we'll see if we get another trade in today. Okay, so here we are. It is 12 o'clock, a little after 12 o'clock. So I'm going to shut it down here. Every day I'm going to shut it down at 12 o'clock. So that'll be my trading day, 9:30 to 12. Because I don't want to do this all day long, especially if I'm going to make have to process videos, put them up on YouTube and all that stuff. So it takes some time. So 12 o'clock, shutting it down. No other trades set up today. Just some futures trades, which I'll load up here in a little bit. So I do got some stuff in the futures trade that'll go up in the futures category in a little while. But you can see definitely was a good call to get out. I wish I would have got out, sooner. I had a little pullback right here, but it's going up. I want to give it a chance to break that candle, and it didn't. So good thing we got out. Saved the account. Oh man, I shouldn't have been in that trade. Didn't have permission. So anyway, we'll be back Friday and see if we can close this week out a little bit green, and then hopefully we can hit the turbos on next week so we can pay for those platform fees. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.